I can't bake. There's something about precise measurements to make a cake. It just doesn't process too well for me. So for those of you guys who are actually good bakers, you're like, Betty Crocker, what is this cheat sheet foolishness you're doing? Listen, I'm starting off small. We're going to work our way into actually making bread and other things. But before I started deciding to burn down the place, I decided let's make a quick little muffin. And yeah, what a cheat sheet. This is for snacks, so let's go.